Hello, my name is Mary Valine, and it's time for
2-Minute Tuesday.
This is where, in 2 minutes or less, we update you on our planning and things going on at the Twin Cities Auto Show. So this week is all going to be about logistics. The exhibitor kits were emailed last week. So if you didn't get one, please email me, mary@mada.org, and we'll get you that electronic kit. It does come from Fern. Fern is our service provider. So similar to the convention center, they provide a lot of the services. It's just at the fairground. So I want to tell you about some of the things I'm getting questions on. First of all, labor. You are allowed to set up your own displays at the fairgrounds. The exception is with AV. So if you're going to be doing AV, you do need to go through the union labor. And all that information is in the exhibitor kit. Equipment. Fern will have heavy equipment on site to move any kind of materials that you might need moved. We also are still covering, the Twin Cities Auto Show will pay for all material and handling. So as you're used to, they will deliver that to your space at the designated time. Setup timing. We did send a move-in, move-out schedule. If your name wasn't on that list, it's because I haven't received your contract. So if you didn't get it, please get that contract in so we can get your move-in and move-out time scheduled. And I know that sometimes tents take a little bit longer. We oftentimes can get into the fairgrounds early to start setting those tents. So if that's the case with you, don't worry. We'll make time for it and make it work out. Crate storage. Plenty of storage at the fairgrounds. So if it's delivered through us, through Fern, we will store that crate for you in a dry, secure place. And if you need storage for other materials, please reach out to Fern and they'll make that sure that we can get that done. And finally, power. Lots of you are asking about questions and how do you get it, and do you need generators? The short answer is no, you don't likely need generators. We can drop and we will drop power to wherever you need it within your space. So the order form is in the exhibitor kit. And then when you get on site, the electrician from the fairground will meet you and he'll drop it in the areas that you indicate. If you do that in advance and send us a map, that will be very helpful, and definitely get your order in so you're in line and he gets to your space in a timely fashion. There is power throughout the fairgrounds, 110, 220. We can handle different loads. You just have to let us know and we'll make it happen. I find Google Earth very helpful when planning at the fairgrounds. Just type in Minnesota State Fairgrounds and kind of look for the space that you're on, and you can drop yourself, so you can look at it aerial, but you can also drop in and look at it from a street view and really see what attendees are going to see when they walk into your space. So feel free to use Google Earth as much as needed, or call me and I'll hop on with you and we can do a Zoom and we can walk through the space together that way. All right, and another thing is deadlines. There are some deadlines approaching, and the big one is April 8th, our buyer's guide. If I don't have a contract, we can't put you in the buyer's guide. So that's the map that all the attendees use, but it's also the listing of makes and models that you sell. So regardless of what you're gonna have at the show, we'll list every single make and model sold by the franchise brands that we have at the show. So please make sure that you make that deadline. And finally, for a little fun, if you've noticed on a lot of these 2-Minute Tuesday emails, we're including car clubs at the bottom. And we're doing that because we have a lot of interest, like I think we featured Nissan and Infiniti car clubs. So I'm hoping Nissan noticed that, and then you're taking note that there will be a car club on site that you could maybe connect with. If there's a way that we can help you connect with the local car clubs, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to make that connection. And that's all I've got this week for 2-Minute Tuesday. So check in next week for
2-Minute Tuesday.